Today, you're going to learn a few things about a new free feature in Canva that's going to help you organize things for your YouTube channel. Canva has made unlimited folders available to all users. To start, let's look at your Canva homepage. Go to your projects and there is a folders tab. You'll see that on my free account, it shows 2 folders. But let's add a new one so that you can see that it is available for free. Click the plus button at the top. Select New Folder as your option. Let's name this one YouTube Thumbnails. That is my organization tip of the day. Create a folder for all of your thumbnail designs. Once you select Create a Folder, you will notice that it is now here alongside my other 2 folders. When you click the blank folder you just created, you can actually create a design that will automatically save into that folder. Let's search for YouTube Thumbnail. How do you add things to folders? It depends on what you're trying to add. Type in Like to the Elements tab and go to Photos. When you click on this photo, an I for Info button will pop up. You can typically add something to a folder there. You can double-click your project to find the folder you want, or type in the name if you remember it. You can also create a new folder here as well. Click Create New and name your folder. Let's look at Subscribe in Elements. Select the Graphics tab. For the items in this tab, it is best practice to add to a folder while in the left-hand side because animations will not have the Info button to add to folder. Click the 3 dots and add to folder that way. If you move over to Videos, it is the same technique for videos too. At this time, you cannot favorite any of the audio clips by putting them in a star folder or a regular one. Where can you find the folders to use them in a design? For me, it's on my left-hand panel, but you might not have it there. Look in the More section. Folders are right here. Once you click it, you will find them on the left-hand panel. You can now find the folder you want to use within the folders icon. Once you click on each new folder, it will pop up on the left-hand side. You can always remove extra icons on the left-hand panel by hovering over it and clicking the X. All you need to do is simply click the item from your folder to add it to your design. Now that you know how to create folders, you might want to know a little bit about how to organize them. By the time you see this, that tutorial might already be available, so ask me for it in the comments. Do you know the best kept secret in Canva when it comes to designing your YouTube thumbnails? In this tutorial, you'll learn those time-saving tips that might just help you make your design process faster. If you liked today's Canva tutorial and want to see more like it, make sure that you are subscribed, hit the notification bell, and I'll see you next time. Bye!